touching the truth.
To another video of Aesthic. So guys, today is a short tutorial on how I make my intros. So let's get started. So guys, first of all I go into YouTube. Okay, we'll go. So guys, I'm in YouTube now, and now we will search intro templates for free, and after searched, so there are many intro templates here, but if you want pinkish and girly, so I will search girly. After searching girly, you can see many intro templates here, so you can take one, and let's choose this one. So guys, I'll use this one and go in Google and download it. So there are many downloadable apps. You can download it from there. So now we're gonna download it, and as you can see here, it's downloading. So guys, after it's download, you need to go to Kinemaster. I don't know whatever it says, it's Kinemaster or something. So you need to go there, and then it will load. After it's loaded, you need to go to media, and then you can see downloads here, so you'll see the intro you downloaded. So here, right, then I will trim the video where the intro starts from. So let's trim it. Okay, the intro starts from here and ends from here, so we're gonna make it trim it. So guys, here is it, let's on it. So as you can see, we trim the intro. After we trim, now we're going to add text. So we're going to add from here whatever font you want or whatever you want. So I'm going to start from here, any size you want. So let's try this. Or you can see, as there are many fonts here, you can choose one of them and then choose a color. It's not a must from you want to do it from Kinemaster, or you can do it from other apps also. So we are going to do in animation. So whatever you like, you can do it, and overall animation, whatever you like, also here, and out animation, whatever you like. So after doing this, we'll set the time of the intro from where it should be. So let's try. And guys, there's no music in the intro, so let's add some from my music. Okay, let's add this. Video on how to make this intro, and if you like this video, make sure to share and subscribe to me. And this was a requested video, so I'll give the channel's link in the description box, who requested me to do this. So okay, bye.